Hello everyone. Today all three of us will learn to make cake from a cake mix. Not too difficult, right? Right? So, and we are going to make what? Are you going to make cupcakes or are you going to make just round cakes? Or both? Both? Okay, let's do it. So, cupcake? Okay, good. Very nice. Yeah? Okay. Alright, let's begin. What do we need? So we're gonna do with this cake, I got this from Fred Meyer this morning. This is Betty Crocker Favorites Super Moist Cake Mix. And we'll just follow the instructions. We will need
1 1/4 cup of water and half cup vegetable oil.
And
2 eggs.
It says 3 eggs, but I'm gonna do with just 2. I've tried that before and it works out just fine. And what else do we need? No sugar because this one has sugar. And we need this is what I use for blending, my favorite. And we will have a bowl for mixing. Can we start?
Yeah.
Can we start here?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
And
Oh, I need scissors. Hold on.
Good. Got 'em. And this is cake.
Awesome. Cake mix. I'm gonna cut it.
Sure. Okay, all of it?
Yes, please. Good. Okay, now you wanna crack the eggs?
Yeah.
Okay.
Me too. This one's already cracked a little.
What? Okay, fine. Be careful. Okay, can you do the next one? Your turn.
It's so squishy.
Like that. Okay. And now gently press. Okay, gently. Okay, wait a second. Wait. Like that, and then press and open. Good job. Good job.
And that's how you crack an egg. Yeah! Crack the egg! Now, we stir.
Yeah. Now add the
We
oil.
Now we add the oil.
Awesome.
Oh!
All right. Here you go.
Okay.
Who wants to do
Me.
this? Okay.
Me!
Okay. You have to move forward.
Okay. Let's do this.
Okay. Oops, put it down. Yeah.
It's my turn.
Okay. Mia's turn.
Your
Okay. Your turn. Ooh, frothy.
Frothy, slimy.
Hold it, hold it.
So oily. Is it so oily?
No. Okay. Done. Close corner. All right. Okay.
So oily.
All
Now
right.
just put this in.
Okay. Now we'll add the powder little by little. Okay. What do we do?
Little by little.
Can you say it here? Little by little.
Little by little.
Good job. Okay, so this much is fine. Okay, now here can you mix it?
Okay. It's gonna be yummy. Right to the buttercup.
Okay, done. Now it's done.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
Ooh, this is my turn.
Wait.
Let's
Okay.
do this.
Turn. Push it. Make sure it's not touching the bottom. Okay.
This.
Yeah.
Straight to the coffee pot.
Oh.
Sorry. Straight to the coffee pot. Ready, set, go!
Okay. Some more. Can you hold it?
It's my turn, it's my turn.
Yeah. Now this is Mama's turn. Okay.
It's my part of the job. Ooh, that is a lot.
Okay, here, your turn and Mama's turn. Okay.
It's so oily.
Yeah.
It's so spread and many more. Mom did that.
Okay, my turn. Thank you.
Welcome. Don't spill all of them. We know, yeah. Yeah, we did it.
Okay, don't put that finger back in here. Go wash your hand.
Me too. I want to lick too.
Okay, just take a little bit. Here you go. Nice? Good.
It's so oily.
Now we're going to put it in the cake pan. Okay? Okay.
For
Our
my
batter is
birthday?
ready. Our batter is ready.
Yeah.
And we're gonna put it in the cake pan. And I just got this cake pan from Amazon. It's a 6-inch cake pan. I'm gonna
Stand over.
and it like very cute little cake or should come out. This is the first time I'm trying with the 6-inch one. I've tried 9 inches, 8 inches, but not the 6 inches. So it's like tiny cake pan. It comes like 2 of these. I'm going to add the link at the bottom for you to see. It looks very nice and sturdy. It's not very expensive. It comes with cake pan liners. I think a bunch of them. I don't know how many, but probably about like 20 or 30 of them. So this looks like this. So I'm gonna place it just like this and pour the cake batter in here. Okay, here I am with washed pans, and we're gonna put a little bit of oil, especially on the sides, because the side is not lined. So can you help me with that, Mom? Okay.
I want to try.
Sure. Okay, you do one and you do one. How about that?
Yes.
Okay. All right, that's good enough.
Wait. This is my way of doing the sides.
Okay. Getting out of the camera. That's a good way.
It's my. That's why instead of doing it like that,
Yeah,
I'm doing like spinning like that.
that's
See,
good.
guys?
Excellent. Okay, your turn. Take some more oil. Okay, here go. Do the sides with Mama.
It's
Can
my
you spin too?
when it's time for this. Let go.
Okay. Good job, yeah. That's better. Come closer. Come closer. See yourself in the camera.
Think I'm so scary.
Okay.
I want to pour too. No. It's going to be good. So we're chocolate today.
Thank you, Mon. That's helpful. So we had forgotten that we also wanted to make cupcakes. So we are
Start over.
we started over, right? So we started over with 1 cake pan and 1 cupcake.
It's my turn. We used to make these cupcakes back in our old house.
Yeah. All right. So let's pour it.
Done the cupcake? Let's pour.
Uh-oh. Wait. Moon. Okay, so this is ready to go in the oven for 325. So it's 325 and on bake. We let it preheat. Be right back. Okay, So the oven is preheating at 325. Like, as we wait for the oven to get heated, we will just go play. Thank you. Alright, so here we are. This one is going into the oven also. So I'm going to put all the three together and we'll watch it, the time, and we'll see which one works best, and we have to keep an eye on it because all three of them are going in. Oops, sorry. Going in at the same time. Good job, thank you. And we're gonna put a timer. No, don't do that. Put a timer for, I'm gonna put it for like 16 minutes to start with, and we'll keep watching. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, so it looks like it's ready, and I'm going to take my gloves and let's see. This is clean. This is not really clean. So I'm not really happy with how this is coming out. So I'm going to put it back in for just about 2 more minutes. Okay. So yeah, it's coming out pretty clean. Hello, so we are going to see what came out of the oven, if it worked out or if it didn't, while we test this.
I want to take it out.
Okay. Oh, first we need a soft knife. Okay. Gonna take a knife and gently turn it like this and see. Gonna go this way and turn. Can you tap on it?
Once.
Two times. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. It's not really coming out. Oh, nice. Good. This one came
And
out.
it came out.
This came out. Okay, and this should be easier because it has this one. Can you try? Can you lift it up with this? Just hold those two things. Oh, nice. This is super easy with that little thing below it. So I'm gonna keep that aside. All right, now, okay, here, you want to try taking the cupcakes out?
Wanna?
Can you try taking the cupcake out? Okay, here you go. You put it here?
Don't eat it.
Okay, put it here. Thank you. Let's see, this is going to be very easy.
How did you eat it?
Yes. Perfect. So they look nice and soft, right? So we are going to come back with the decoration video. Click for the link for the next decoration video. Okay, so till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe.
Bye. Bye.